It ain't my fault.
What's going on, you beautiful people of the planet Earth? I'm back with another video, and you're probably asking why I'm wearing the hat. Well, my hair is all gone, and I've been gone too, but that's an explanation for another video. Yes, I have many videos pre-recorded, but this is one that I have to record now because I got this tool ordered on my birthday. Didn't come until 3 weeks later, so this is going to be my unboxing of my Shadow Conspiracy 13 tools in one multi-tool. Okay, I've heard many great reviews of this. Most of them are in Spanish. Yeah. So I thought that I would be one of the first people doing English. So let's open it up. Oh, I had it turned completely on its side. Wait, which side's the... I'm cutting it, I don't care. It's either the top or the bottom, we'll find out one way or another. I can already tell this is going to be a heavy tool. But that way I don't have to carry around a 17 millimeter everywhere I go. So maybe this is easier. Okay, the box is open. First thing, signature dance comp brown paper, order form. Wait. Wow, no stickers or nothing, man. Like, unless they're in here, which there probably are. That's just dance comp, man. Let me make sure. Don't want to lose those dance comp stickers, so I didn't check. No? 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 Alright. Well, as you can see, we've got the 2017 packaging on there already. Completely covered in their new stickers. I think that's pretty dope, actually. Like, you can actually tell those are real stickers and stuff, but anyway, we're gonna see if we can get this open without it. Okay, didn't even need to finish my sentence. Opened it without a knife. This is actually like a pretty big tool. I thought this was gonna be a lot skinnier, but no. Good lord. Okay, what does this say? 13 tools in one. 17 millimeter deep socket, chain breaker, spoke wrench, bottle opener, pedal wrench, 10 millimeter wrench, tire tools, 732 hex, 1/4 hex, 8 millimeter, 6 millimeter, 5 millimeter, and a hammer. Okay, well, that's nice and all, but we won't be needing that for now. So, there we've got the hammer, nice flat, you know, you need to like hammer your wheel so it's straight if you don't have a spoke wrench, because hashtag ignorant. This is for the sockets and the millimeters, and the Allen wrench extensions, pedal wrench, bottle opener, chain breaker. Let's open it up. Okay, well, let's see what we got in here first. Oh, I dropped it. Hold on. Okay, well, here is the extension to add the Allens. As you can see, that's where it goes onto the wrench. This is where you insert the Allens. Then we have our 17mm size deep socket. Then here are our two keys. Here's a spoke wrench. And then here's the wrench to use on the chain tensioner. So we'll just go ahead and put all these back. Set that out. Then we've got like a little compartment inside here. That's why I kind of set it aside for now, but we've got the pin for the chain breaker and pretty much all of the Allen wrenches, extensions, wrenches, whatever you want to call it, but they basically all just fit inside here. And honestly, this is probably like one of the most simple designs for a tool, but even though it costs a lot, like, I'm probably gonna try to make a video of taking it to the skate park just to like see how simple it is to use. Put these back in here. This would go like that. And then slide the tool back over it. Alright, so now, we've got that sealed back up. Back to the basics of this tool. I really like the Shadow Conspiracy logos on it. The embossed logo. You can see that pretty well. Right here it's got embossed into it, Shadow Conspiracy. And then right here on the side, it's got a little instruction of how all the tools are laid out inside it. Shows the direction in which they go in, and another Shadow Conspiracy logo. And a bottle opener for when you turn 21. I do not support underage drinking. Okay guys, that's going to be it for this one. If you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
I'm so much closer than I am.